I welcome you back in One in All YouTube channel. This is day 11 on typing tutorial. Today I will give a exercise consisting of alphabet of both home row as well as the top row. First of all, you have to place your fingers, that is left hand on A, S, D, F and right hand on semicolon L, K, J. Then you have to type S space bar, Q space bar, A space bar, W space bar, D space bar, R space bar, F space bar, E space bar, G space bar, T space bar. On the right hand, you have to type semicolon space bar, O space bar, L space bar, P space bar, K space bar, U space bar, J space bar, I space bar, H space bar, Y space bar. You have to type this at least or for minimum 1 hour. You can type more than that also. You have to practice this until your fingers get comfortable on both home row as well as the top row. Do this exercise sincerely. That's it, that much. Thank you so much.